Have you ever opened Microsoft Word and don't know what to do next? In this video, I will show you step by step how to create your first professional document even if you are completely beginner. So before starting, please, if you are new here, don't miss subscribe, like this video and share it to your colleagues so that they can also learn with us. So without spending much more time, let's get started. Yes, first step is to come and click on this start icon. You see here, this start icon. Then you search for Microsoft Word. Just write Word like this one. You see this icon for Word. Then make double click on it, and Word automatically will be opened. Right? Do you see? Then after getting here, you see there are different templates. You can choose one template, but for us, if you are creating your own document, you just click on this blank document. You click on blank document, and you see here is where you can just typing your Word document, write your document. For example, can just write welcome to GOOICT Academy. You see, you can now create your document. For example, my first document. My first document. Do you see? You can just develop your professional document. This is my first time using Microsoft Word. You can write like this one. This is my first time. My first time using Microsoft Word. You can write whatever you want. Microsoft Word. Do you see? Yeah. Actually, you can develop your document here, right? So without making this video long, let us stop by here. This is how you can create your own document in just few minutes, right? So if you are new here, please don't miss subscribe, like this video and share it to your colleagues so that they can also learn with us. And if you have any question or idea, let us know in the comment section. So thank you. See you in next lesson.